स्टार्ट करायचं लेक्चर. Welcome all of you in Someshwar Polytechnic College in Computer Engineering Department for second year Diploma Engineering. In Computer Engineering, there is subject Digital Techniques for your third semester Digital Techniques subject that carrying total marks 150 marks, that is theory and semester exam, that is your theory paper is of 70 marks, then theory PA that is of 30 marks. Theory PA means that is calculated from your average of two class tests, that is class test 1 and class test 2 plus 10 marks of micro project. Then next practical PA. Practical PA means that is calculated from your continuous assessment. That is your calculated from continuous assessment, that is total 25 marks. And practical ESE means practical end semester exam, that is of 25 marks. For this subject there is external practical exam, that is of 25 marks. In this subject we will achieve course outcome from different chapters. Here I mentioned total A to E outcomes, that is total 5 outcomes, course outcomes from 5 chapters. Here first outcome is in our syllabus there is first chapter number system and codes. Here number system and codes, from this chapter we will achieve this course outcome, that is use number system and codes for interpreting work of digital system. In this chapter we will study different types of number system in details and regarding their examples, that is related binary arithmetic, codes, BCD arithmetic, and different types of numbers. Then second course outcome is use Boolean expression to realize logic circuit. This outcome is related about second chapter, that is logic gates and logic families. In this chapter we will study different types of logic gates. Then Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra means various types of Boolean laws we will study. Duality theorem, De Morgan's theorem. These are related about Boolean's algebra. And we will study different types of logical families, that is TTL, CMOS, and different types of TTL NAND gates. This is regarding second outcome. Then third outcome of this subject is build simple combinational circuit. Simple combinational circuit is what? In this we will implement various types of encoder decoder circuits, multiplexer demultiplexer circuits, then buffer, then K-map representation, and various standard Boolean representation. This is third outcome of this subject. Then fourth outcome is we will achieve through fourth chapter, that is sequential logic circuit. Means in this chapter build different simple sequential circuit. Then next fifth outcome is test data converters and PLD in digital electronic circuits or digital system. Means in from this outcome we will study how data converter works, means how we can convert analog data into digital data, then digital data into analog data, then various types of memories. In this we will study RAM, ROM, then read and write operation, then different types of semiconductor memories. Then in this chapter from fifth outcome we will study about PLDs, that is programmable logic devices. Means in this we will study different types of logical devices, that is PLD, PLA, PAL, and GAI. Then these are basic 5 outcomes about 5 chapters. Then we will start from first unit. In our syllabus there is first unit is number system and codes. This chapter deals with 8 marks. तर या फर्स्ट चॅप्टर मध्ये आपल्याला न्यूमेरिकल्स आहे, त्यामुळे प्रत्येकाने नोटबुक आणि पेन हातातच ठेवायचं, म्हणजे तुम्ही ज्यावेळी स्वतः सॉल्व्ह करून बघणार ते जास्त लक्षात येईल. तर या चॅप्टर मध्ये नंबर सिस्टीम अँड कोड्स. तर या चॅप्टर मध्ये आपण काय काय शिकणार आहे त्याच्या रिलेटेड मी इथं मेन्शन केलेलं आहे. द कंटेंट ऑफ दिस चॅप्टर. First we will study basic terms, that is what is bit, byte, and words. Here I mentioned first point. Then next we will start from syllabus, that is introduction to number system. What is number system? What are different types of number system? Then next how we will count or convert decimal number into another number system, or another number system into decimal number system. We will study conversion. Here I mentioned decimal to binary conversion, binary to decimal conversion, then octal to binary conversion, hexadecimal number, binary arithmetic, and codes and BCD arithmetic. Then next introduction about this first unit is introduction to number system. Our first chapter in syllabus is number system. So basically first we know about what is number. Generally you all of know about number, means we consider numbers from 0 to infinite, 0 to infinite numbers. In digital system there are we will study 4 types of number system. The number system has different bases, and the most common of them are decimal, binary, octal, and hexadecimal number. So in this first unit, or in this subject we will study different types of numbers. Mostly we use 4 types of number, that is decimal number, binary number, octal number, and hexadecimal number. I will tell about what is decimal, what is binary, what is octal, and what is hexadecimal. So basically first I mentioned here what is number system. Number system is what? That is used for representing the information. What we represent here? Information by using digital electronics. Digital electronics means we represent numbers from suppose decimal number system. In this we represent numbers from 0 to 9. Then in modern world of electronics, the term digital, here I mentioned digital electronics. Digital electronics means what? Generally it is associated with computer. Here digital, that is word associated with computer, because this digital is derived from the way of computer performance operation. Means in computer we perform various operations by counting digits. Here we will perform various operation by counting digits. Then the main application of digital electronics, this digital electronics or digital technique, the main application of this digital electronic uh, is mainly we use in our daily life, that is in TV, medical equipments, communication system, then industrial processes, controls, and consumer electronics. These are basic of digital electronics. So, basic digital electronics term got everyone? Digital electronics means what? We represent only information. Means in our day-to-day life, we represent information by using values. That is, suppose for example, in TV or medical equipments or industrial control and consumer electronics system, we use number system or digital electronic system. Now we will start from here. I mentioned different bases, and the most common of the bases are decimal, binary, octal, and hexadecimal. Here, base. I mentioned the base, that is also called as radix. Here, base means what? That is also called as radix. Radix of number system is the total number of digits used in number system. Base means what? We represent total number of digits that is used in digital number system. Suppose I mention here one example. We will study in detail all the types, that is decimal number system, binary number system, then octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. Suppose I mentioned example here, that is number system representing digits from 0 to 9. Digits from 0 to 9. Then the base of the system is 10. Means here the system base is 10. Decimal number means what? Here we represent base 10. Means in base 10, that is value ranging from digit 0 to 9. Means there are total 10 different digits, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is from 0 to 9 we represent 10 different value, that is base of the system is 10. Here next I mentioned here different types of number system. Different types of number system. Here number system is we are representing information. Here information is represented by we will study 4 different types of number system. That is first decimal number system, second binary number system, third octal number system, and next hexadecimal number system. Here decimal number system means what? Now I mentioned here decimal number system means what? The system has base of the system is 10, that is digits value varying from 0 to 9, that is digits from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. Here I mentioned decimal number. Decimal number means what? Base 10. In this 10 different values, 10 different digits, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. That is called as decimal number system. Got it? Decimal number system means. Then next is binary number system. Binary number system means what? Base is 2. here base 2 means in this system only two different values or only two different digits, that is binary number system we represent by 0 or 1. Then next, octal number system. Octal number system, octal means what? 8. Here we represent base 8. 8 means we write different 8 values, that is from 0 to 7, that is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, that is up to 7. From 0 to 7 there are total 8 values in octal number system. Then next is hexadecimal number system. In hexadecimal number system, there are total different 16 values, that is we represent base of this system is 16 and values varying from 0 to 15. Here I written 0 to 9. Then next, here I may written hexadecimal means values from 0 to 9, then A to F. Here 0 to 9 means what? 0 to 9 means as it is number from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9. Then in hexadecimal number system, we represent 10 as a capital A, 11 as a capital B, 12 as a capital C, 13 as capital capital C, D, and 14 capital E, and 15 capital F. I will show table of hexadecimal number system in detail. Here you just remember in hexadecimal number system there are total 16 values, that is from 0 to 15. How this value A, B, C, D, E, F written, I will show in table in next slides. Got it? These different types of number system. If you understand, then comment in chat box yes. Decimal number system means what? Base 10 means in this system we represent total 0 to 9 values. Binary number system means base 2. In this we represent only 2 values, that is 0 and 1. The next, octal numbers means in this system base is 8 and we represent values from 0 to 7. Then next, hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system is what? There is we represent base 16 and values that varying from 0 to 15. Here digits 0 to 9 as it is. Then A to F means 10 is represented as capital A, 11 capital B, 12 capital C, 13 capital D, 14 capital E, and 15 capital F. That is 0 to 15 the digits we represent by this representation. All of you got this slide? If you understand ही स्लाइड समजली असेल तर चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये एस लिहा. तर हे बेसिक आहे, हे तुम्हाला माहिती असलं पाहिजे. डेसिमल नंबर म्हणजे बेस किती, त्याच्यामध्ये टोटल किती व्हॅल्यूज येतील. बायनरी नंबर म्हणजे बेस 2, त्याच्यामध्ये 2 व्हॅल्यू 0 आणि 1 आली पाहिजे. ऑक्टल नंबर मीन्स व्हॉट की बेस तुमचा 8 असणार आहे सिस्टीमचा, त्याच्यामध्ये व्हॅल्यू 0 to 7 येणार आहे. हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर मीन्स काय? टोटल हेक्सा मीन्स 16 व्हॅल्यू, तर आपण 0 पासून 15 पर्यंत व्हॅल्यू रिप्रेझेंट करणार आहे. तर 0 to 9 ऍज इट इज डिजिट लिहिणार आहे. आणि A to F जे आहे तर कॅपिटल A, कॅपिटल 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 आणि 15 हे कॅपिटल A, B, C अप टू F ने रिप्रेझेंट करणार आहे. तर हा टेबल आपण स्टडी करणार आहे हेक्साडेसिमलचा. हे AF कशावरून नोट केलेले आहे ते पहिल्यांदा बेस कळाला, प्रत्येक सिस्टीमचा कळाला असेल तर चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये यस करा. Then next slide, what is beat, bite, word and nibble. तर आपण वेगवेगळ्या टर्म्स जे आहे, ह्या टर्म्स जे आहे त्या आपण डिजिटल टेक्निक सब्जेक्ट मध्ये प्रत्येक चॅप्टर मध्ये आपण यूज करणार आहे. दिस टर्म वी विल यूज इन एव्हरी चॅप्टर. What is beat, what is bite, word, nibble. So basically we know about what is beat, bite, word and nibble. Here first I will explain what is bit. Bit, here bit I mentioned, bit means what? That is short form of binary digit. Here bit, that is short form of binary digit. Now I told binary digit. Binary number system is what? We represent base 2, that is by representing two digits 0 or 1. Here binary system, here binary digits, that is used to quantify computer data. Quantify computer data means what? Bit can define boolean values. Boolean values, that is true value or false, that is true value or false value. True value means what? When your statement is true, then you will write 1. Means when your condition is true, then you represent bit by 1. Or when your statement or condition is false, then you represent it by 0. In digital electronics, in number system, we will write position of numbers or position of switch. Means suppose when your switch is on means true condition. Then your when switch is on, then we represent switch by 1. Or when switch is off, then we represent it by, then it represent by 0. That is on condition is represented by 1 and off condition is represented by 0. That is bit. Bit means what? There are only two values, that is binary digit that carrying only two values, that is 1 or 0. 1 means your true value or on value and 0 means what? False, that is your off value. In digital electronic system. Then next, what is byte? Here byte means what? Bits are usually assembled into a group of 8 to form a byte. Byte means what? There is group of 8 different values, that is 8 different digits, that is 0 combination of 0 and 1, that is 8 values, that is called as byte. Here byte is 8 bits, means total 8 bits, means 0 1 0 1. You can write by 8 times 8 bits, that is byte. Byte means what? 8 bits. Bits means only two values 0 and 1. Byte means total 8 bits. Here 8 bits mentioned, that is called as byte. Byte means bits are assembled into group of 8 to form a byte, that is called as byte. The next term is nibble. Nibble means what? That is half a byte. Half a byte. Byte means what? Total 8 bits. Total 8 bits in byte. And in nibble, that is half a byte, means only 4 bits is called as nibble. In nibble there are only 4 bits. Here in byte total 8 bits, in nibble that is half of byte, that is only 4 bits in nibble. Then next slide is word, double word and quadra word. Here word means what? That is natural unit of data used by particular processor design. In the word, that is word is nothing but there are total 2 bytes. In 1 byte, here I mentioned in single byte there are total 8 bits, that is byte. In word there are 2 bytes. 2 bytes means what? Total 16 bits, means 1 byte means 8 bits, 2 bytes means 8 plus 8 16 bits. Word means 16 bits. Then double word means what? There is 4 bytes. 4 bytes means what? Total uh, total 32 bits. That is, in single byte there are 8 bits, in 2 bytes there are 16 bits, then in 4 bytes there are total 32 bits. Then next is quadra word. Quadra word means what? Total 8 bytes. 8 bytes means what? 8 in a single bit there are total 8 bits. 8 into 8, that is 64 bit in quadra byte. So got it? Word means 2 byte, that is total 16 bit. Double word means double of word, that is 4 byte, that is total 32 bit. And next quadra byte. Quadra word. Quadra word means what? Double of quadra word, that is total 8 bytes, total 64 bits. Got this term? Bit, byte, word, double word, and quadra word. Here representation in table I shown here. Bit means what? There are two different values, that is we represent by 0 and 1. The next nibble. Nibble means what? Half of byte. In byte there are total 8 bits, and nibble, that is half of byte, that is only 4 bits. Next double word or double bytes. In single byte there are total 8 bits, in double byte or word there are total 16 bits. Then double word, that is, or long word. Here double word means quadra word. Double word means 4 bytes. There are total 32 bits in double word, that is also called as long word. And next is quadra word. Quadra word, that is also called as very long word, that is 64 bit. Here I mentioned total 8 bytes means total 64 bits in long, very long word, that is quadra word. Then everyone got this bit, byte, and nibble. Mostly we use these two terms in our this subject, bit and byte. Bit means we use two values, 0 and 1, and byte means 8 8 bits, that is 0 to 7 different values we will use for solving examples. Then next is logic levels. Logic levels means what? Here logic levels means what? That is used for representing voltage levels. Logic levels basically uh, logical statement, that is used to define a statement which is true if some condition is satisfied, and false if that condition is not satisfied. That is called as logic levels. For example, in our day-to-day life, uh, we turn off light, or in your home bulb you turn on or off. That is depends on upon your switch position. Switch position means what? When you will on switch, that time your in your circuit current voltage parameter passes. That time when you will switch, when your switch is on, that time your bulb will emit light. That is used when your position of switch is on, then we represent two logical levels, that is high logical level and low logical level. In binary logical level we use two digits, that is 0 and 1. In when your switch is in off position, switch is in off position means what? Your switch is open, that time your voltage levels are VL minimum and VL max here represented. Means here your voltage level is minimum, low, that is represented by binary 0, means your bulb is in off condition. When you switch on means what? Your in your circuit voltage parameter, current parameter will pass, and your whatever your application, that will on. Here on, that is your output is represented by high. High means binary number 1. So here voltage is used to represent 1 and 0. 1 means your on position, 0 means off position. Here in this diagram, 1 means your high voltage level and 0 means your low voltage level. And here unacceptable represented. Sometimes your application, suppose bulb is not working, that time that time unacceptable condition means what? In this condition, you will not get output of that particular device or an application, that is unacceptable voltage level. So basically we use two logical levels, that is logic low, that is binary 0 for off and binary 1 for on condition. These are two logical levels. Then next term is what is analog and digital signal. So basically, you know what is analog signal, digital signal. In last year, in first year, in basic electronics, you studied about analog system and digital system. So analog system means what? You all of you observed this type of waveforms on CRO, that is cathode ray oscilloscope. Analog signal, here analog signal and digital signal. Analog signal means what? Continuous wave that changes over a time period. Here on x-axis time is represented, on y-axis amplitude is represented. An analog signal, that is represented by sine signal. Here sine signal means what? Continuous variation with respect to time. Here representation of analog signal, that is sine signal, it's shown here. So analog signal means what? That is continuous wave that changes over a time period. This continuous waveform changes with respect to time, that is called as analog signal. An analog signal, that is represented by sine. Then what is digital signal? Digital signal means what? Digital signal have two discrete values. Here discrete waves that carries information in binary form. Binary form means what? We use only two digits or only two values, that is 0 and 1, that is binary form representation. Digital signal, that is represented by square wave. Here representation of digital signal is shown here. Here digital signal means square waveform that you all of you observed on CRO in last semester in basic electronics subject. Sine wave, square wave, sine here sine wave I shown, that is continuous variation with respect to time. And digital signal, that we represent by two different discrete values, that is on, when you're this is your on waveform, and when your signal is across x-axis, that is here x-axis is represented with respect to time. When your signal is with respect to x-axis, that is your off condition. Here on is represented by 1, off is represented by 0. This binary form representation means what? We at the time of solving examples, we will represent 1 0 1 0, means on position is represented by 1, off position is represented by 0. Here again on means 1, here off means 0, here on means 1 and off, depending on type of signal, we represent their on position and off position. So all of you got what is analog and digital signal. This is basic concept. What is analog signal? What is digital signal? So analog signal is represented by sine waveform, and digital signal is represented by square waveform. Here representation of analog and digital waveform. Here analog signal is represented here, that is continuous variation with respect to time. Digital signal means what? Here digital signal is represented by square waveform. Square waveform means what? 0 and 1. Means on position is represented by 1, off position is represented by 0. Digital signal we represent by bits, that is 0, 1, any string we will use for representing digital signal. So all of you got what is analog and digital signal. Then basic difference between analog and digital signal. So here what is analog signal and what is digital signal? Now I told analog signal, that is continuous signal that changes over a time period, that is called as analog signal. Here analog signal, that is continuous wave that changes over a time period. Here analog signal is represented by sine waveform. The next difference, digital signal. Digital signal means what? That carries discrete signal, that carries information in binary form. Binary form means what? That carries information in 0 and 1 format. Means your on position represents 0, off position represents on position represented by 1, off position is represented by 0. That is binary form. Then now I shown waveform, that is analog signal is represented by sine wave and digital signal is represented by square wave. Here analog signal is in the format of sine wave and digital signal is in the format of square waveform. All of you got up to these slides? तर याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला बेसिक फर्स्ट चॅप्टर मधले कंटेंट कळाले की बेसिक सिस्टीम याच्यामध्ये डिजिटल सिस्टीम मध्ये काय तुम्हाला तुम्ही 4 डिफरंट टाइप्सच्या नंबर सिस्टीम यूज करणार आहे, दॅट इज डेसिमल, बायनरी, ऑक्टल अँड हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर सिस्टीम. तर याच्यामध्ये बेस जो आहे रिप्रेझेंट करणार आहे, दॅट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ॲज रॅडिक्स. मीन्स काय की तुम्ही वेगवेगळ्या व्हॅल्यू ज्या आहेत, 0 सपोज डेसिमल नंबर असेल तर डेसिमल मीन्स काय की तुमची डेसिमल मीन्स 10 असतो. तर याच्यामध्ये आपण काय करणार आहे, टोटल 10 व्हॅल्यू डिफाईन करणार आहे. 10 व्हॅल्यू जे आहे 0 to 9, दॅट इज 0, 1, 2, 3 अप टू 9 पर्यंत आपण काय करणार आहे, या व्हॅल्यू ज्या आहे त्या डिफाईन करणार आहे. दॅट इज देन नेक्स्ट आपण स्टडी केलं डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर सिस्टीम. तर 4 टाइपच्या नंबर सिस्टीम आहे, डेसिमल नंबर, बायनरी नंबर, ऑक्टल, हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर सिस्टीम. डेसिमल means base 10, binary means base 2, octal means base 8, hexadecimal means what? Base 16. Then next we will study what is bit, byte, word and nibble. तर डायरेक्टली मी हा टेबल दाखवते. तर बीट आपण स्टडी केलं. तर बीट मीन्स काय की बायनरी डिजिट्स. की बायनरी डिजिट्स जे आहे 2 व्हॅल्यूने आपण रिप्रेझेंट करणार आहे, दॅट इज 0 और 1. देन नेक्स्ट इज निबल. निबल मीन्स व्हॉट? हाफ ऑफ बाईट. In byte there are total 8 bits and in nibble, that is half of byte, means there are total 4 bits in nibble. Then next is double word or word means what? There are 2 bytes, means 2 bytes means total 16 bit. Next is double word or long word, that is in this there are total 4 bytes. 4 bytes means what? 4 into 8, total 32 bits. Then next is very long word or quadra word, means there are total 16 64 bits in quadra word. That is, in quadra word there are total 8 bytes. Then I shown you what is analog signal and digital signal. Here analog signal means what? Continuous wave that changes over time period. That is, analog signal is represented by sine signal. Digital signal means what? This is represented by square waveform that carrying two discrete values, that is in binary form. Binary form means what? There are only two values, that is 0 and 1. Here representation of waveform shown. Sine waveform means analog signal, square waveform means digital signal. Then basic difference between analog system and digital system I explained here. That is, analog signal means what? Your sine wave representation. Digital means square wave representation. In analog system, that is continuous signal that changes over a time period, that is called as analog signal. And next is digital signal. We will stop here. कोणाला काही प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर ग्रुप वरती मेसेज करा. पीपीटी तुम्हाला शेअर केल्या जातील लेक्चरच्या. आजच्या लेक्चर मध्ये कोणाला काही प्रॉब्लेम असेल किंवा काही क्वेरीज असतील तर त्यांना विचारू शकता. तर इथं फर्स्ट लेक्चर जे आहे ते स्टॉप, तुमचं सेकंड लेक्चर जे आहे ते स्टार्ट होईल. सेम लिंक वरती तुम्ही क्लिक करायचंय, तुमचं लॉग इन करा. तुमचा लेक्चर जे आहे शार्प 10:35 ला स्टार्ट होईल नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. फर्स्ट लेक्चर मध्ये कोणाला काही प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर मेसेज करा किंवा चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये जरी तुम्ही मेसेज आता केला तरी चालेल. कोणाला काही प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर मेन्शन करा. आणि आज झालेलं लेक्चर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर पर्यंत रिवाइज करा, म्हणजे नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला तुमची लिंक जी आहे ती बसेल. कारण की डिजिटल टेक्निक हा जो सब्जेक्ट आहे तो पूर्ण मॅथमॅटिकल सब्जेक्ट आहे की याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला एक्झाम्पल्स सॉल्व करायचे आहेत. त्यामुळे नेक्स्ट लेक्चर पासून पेन आणि नोटबुक स्वतःकडे ठेवा आणि त्यानुसार जे काही मी पीपीटी मध्ये दाखवाल त्याच्यानुसार तुम्ही सॉल्व करून बघा, म्हणजे तुम्हाला जास्त लक्षात येईल.